Press and hold the power button in the upper left corner to turn on the device. Tap the sidebar menu on the left and select Scene Valve. Enter the valve internal leakage detection mode. Assign an ID name to the valve. Select the valve type based on the actual application. Set the valve diameter. Select the valve medium according to the actual condition. Select the valve pressure. Select the pressure unit as needed. Select camera mode or time domain waveform mode. Connect the sensor. Align the red marks on the cable and sensor to connect. Connect the other end of the cable to the upper left port of the sensor. Align the cable notch with the acoustic camera connector and connect. Attach the soft pad to the ceramic surface before using the sensor. Replace the soft pad if it becomes dirty after use. 3 sensor types are available and can be replaced as needed. Tap the button at the bottom of the screen to start testing. Place the sensor on valve measurement point 1. Press the test button on the front of the sensor to collect the first set of data for point 1. Press the button again to collect the second set of data. Press the sensor button to switch between measurement points. Place the sensor on valve parameter point 2. Press the test button to test the first set of data. Press the test button to test the second set of data. Test the first set of data for measurement point 3. Test the second set of data for measurement point 3. Test the first set of data for measurement point 4. Test the second set of data for measurement point 4. Test the first set of data for measurement point 5. Test the second set of data for measurement point 5. After testing is complete, the bottom button changes to Filter Analysis. Tap it to automatically analyze the data and generate test results. Tap the button in the upper right corner to capture an image and mark the valve. After saving the valve test results, they can be viewed in the gallery.